Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on how you can delete your recently played list on Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There used to be an option on Spotify to delete each recently played song. However, with the new update to Spotify, this is no longer possible. There are some settings you can change though to stop Spotify from saving your recently played songs at all. To change these settings, tap on the settings cog in the top right corner of the Spotify homepage. Scroll down the settings until you get to the social heading. You then need to switch the toggle on to the right of Private Session. Having this switched on will mean that Spotify will no longer track and share with your followers what music you listen to. Switching the Private Session toggle on will switch the listening activity toggle off, and in doing so will prevent any of your followers from seeing your listening activity. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.